to change Instagram username in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to go to your Instagram app, and then you have to open Instagram app, and then you have to go to your own profile. And when you go to your own profile, you can see the edit profile. When you click on the edit profile, you can see the username, and then you have to click on the username. It will opens in this page, and then you can simply and then what you have to do is you have to go to your username, and then you have to change your username. After changing your username, you have to click on the blue check button, and then you have changed your username, and then again you have to click on the blue check button in the top right corner, and when you it will loads, and here you can see the your my Instagram username is changed. So that's basically it, that how you can do the change the Instagram username. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.